Baseus is expanding the availability of its Enerfill FC41 power bank, bringing the 20,000 mAh model with 100-watt output to European markets. The accessory has already been on sale in China and the US, and it's now starting to appear on Amazon listings in countries including Germany and Spain. One of the more practical aspects of the Enerfill FC41 is its design. The unit includes two built-in braided USB-C cables that tuck neatly into the body when not in use. Each cable features a small buckle-style fastening to keep things tidy, which means you don't necessarily need to carry separate charging cables in your bag. In addition to the integrated cables, the power bank includes one extra USB-C port and one USB-A port. That allows up to 4 devices to charge at the same time. Each USB-C output supports up to 100 W under the right conditions, which is enough for most smartphones. When multiple devices are connected, the power is distributed differently, with the main USB-C delivering up to 65 watt and the remaining outputs sharing the rest. With a 20,000 mAh capacity, Baseus claims the unit can recharge a modern flagship phone several times over. A small digital display on the front shows the remaining battery percentage, replacing the simpler LED indicators found on many power banks. Recharging the unit itself is handled through a 65W USB-C input, with a full refill taking around 2 hours. The Enerfill FC41 measures roughly 152 mm tall and weighs about 430 grams, so while it isn't ultralight, it remains portable enough for travel and carry-on use. Pricing in Europe appears to be set at €89.99, although listings currently show the product is temporarily out of stock.